Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do motion tracking or camera tracking in CapCut. So to do motion tracking, open your CapCut. So when you open CapCut, you have to tap on your project. So you're going to start up a new project here. Okay. So when you tap on your project, scroll down and look for the video you want to import. So I'll also scroll down, then I'll look for the video that I want to import. Okay, so this is a very simple process as you're going to see it. Okay, so this is a video I'm importing, then I add. So as you can see, the video is basically having a man holding a baby, then the man falls down. As you can see, is now falling down. All right, so what you're going to do, you're going to motion track this kid they're holding in a white bed sheet, this kid over here. So to do that, come to text, come to add text. Then when you come to add text, just add a full stop or a dot. Okay, so adjust this full stop, increase it in size, then you tick. So move this full stop to this kid here. Okay, all right, so after moving the full stop to that kid, you can tap in the blank space. So what you're going to do is to make this full stop fill the whole video like that, also from the beginning like that. So after that, come and tap on this full stop in the timeline, then scroll this side to look for tracking. Tracking is there. So after getting this tracking item, bring it over here and drop it exactly where the full stop is. Okay, exactly where the full stop is. Okay, let me repeat it. You come to tracking, then you drop it exactly where the full stop is. Okay, but before you do that, you need to make sure that the full stop is in your target. So our target this time round is this baby here. So I'll adjust it to fit that baby. Okay, so after that, you come to tracking, then make sure that the full stop or the tracking is in the full stop exactly. So that's perfect, as you can see. So after that, tap on start tracking. So you wait for it to load up to 100. So it's loading. Our motion tracking is loading. Okay, so when our motion tracking has finished loading, you're going to see you're going to be tracking this kid here, the one they're holding in a white bed sheet. So let's do it. Let's play this video once again. Okay, so I think you can see it, guys. Okay, so I think you can see it over here. We have been doing motion tracking of this kid here. Okay, let me play it again. Okay, so that's how to do motion tracking in CapCut, guys. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing and hit the like button. Thank you for watching, guys.